Back to Detroit Garage. On this video, we're going to pop test some OM617 injectors. I built this apparatus 1985, 1986, around that time, to do my OM621 injectors. So we're going to pop test these nozzles and see if we have any bad injectors. So they should be a nice crisp pop, no leaks, and a consistent opening pressure all the way across. And in order to get them calibrated, you need to have shims. So let's test them first and see if there's any bad injectors. So this is the first injector I've put in, and we'll have a look-see. So far I like it. It's got a opening pressure of 1850. Oops. You see that? That's not good. Oh yeah, no good. See that leaking? You see that? That's bad. Okay. Let me put that hole in there. Fuel goes everywhere otherwise. It's kind of just a fuel trap. Yeah, she's a leaker. Oh, that's horrible. Right around 1800, it leaks and it pops at 1850. All right. So that's a bad injector. So so far we got to order one nozzle. So I'll order nozzles. I'll probably order all 5, to be honest. So bad injector. Next injector. Okay, let's see what this one does. She's a leaker too. You see that? It's not too bad, but so this one pops at about 1780. But it's a leaker too. So I'll show you the pop pressure. See that? About almost 1800. So that's 2 out of 5 that are bad. Probably all of them are bad. They don't leak enough, I don't think, to bend a rod. You know, we had that bent rod. I don't think it leaks enough to bend a rod, but you never know. Oop. Better tighten that up again. Okay, try that. That should be better, yeah. that's a leaker too. This one's at 1900. Leaks at 1800. Pops at 1900. Yeah. Okay, that one's no good either. These can be cleaned. Well, they used to be able to be cleaned, but once they do this, time for new nozzles. So that's 3 leakers out of 5. Try this one. So this is the 4th injector now. I like the sound of that. She leaks too. This one's popping at 1800. This is not too bad. Okay, that's 4 leakers, and I'll show you the pot pressure. See, it's just pissing out. Yeah, 1800. Okay, this is the last injector. In a pinch, you could use those other ones. They're not terribly bad, but they're not good either. Yeah, this one's not terribly bad, but it will leak. If I can get it to leak. So far it's behaving itself. That one's about 1870 or so. So that one's a sort of a pass, but I think what I'll do, I'm just going to change all 5 nozzles, and then that way I'm guaranteed to have nice injectors. I can calibrate them all to 1950. I'll double check, get some information on these, and order up the nozzles. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to replace all 5. A couple you could say, well, you know, in a pinch you could use them. To be honest, in a pinch you could use them all. But if you want it to run perfect, relatively speaking, it's better to have 5 new nozzles and then calibrate them across the board so they're really smooth. It makes a huge difference on the way the engine idles and performs. So I try to get them within 20 psi of each other. So I'll order up the nozzles and the shim kits if I can find any. So that's it, guys, just a short one. So again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.